जब लाइफ में हमें खुशी कांस्टेंट पेस पर मिल सकती है तो फिर उसे कॉम्प्रोमाइज करने की क्या जरूरत है ना? Hey there, this is Jasleen. Welcome back to my channel and in this video I will share with you 7 ways जिसके थ्रू आप एक कांस्टेंट पेस पर अपनी लाइफ में हैप्पीनेस का लेवल मेंटेन कर सकते हैं। आज की डेट में हमारी लाइफ में बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस और स्ट्रेसेस हैं, राइट? एंड कितना अच्छा होगा अगर इसके बीच में हम हैप्पी रह सकें। Like we would be able to live our life and along with conquer the challenges जो हमारी लाइफ में आते हैं with much more ease. So if you are interested to know what these 7 ways are, stay tuned till the end of the video. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो please do hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and do follow me on my Instagram as well. इसका लिंक आपको मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी मिल जाएगा, and do give a watch to my previous videos as well, जिसका की लिंक आपको मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. So let's begin with today's video. Number 1, gratitude and appreciation. अब हो सकता है कि आपने ये gratitude और appreciation चीजें सुनी हो और हो सकता है कि ना भी सुनी हो, but in both cases gratitude and appreciation are the foundation of our happiness. Now what actually gratitude is? Being thankful. Now you can be thankful for everything and you can be thankful for nothing. The choice is completely yours. जैसा कि एक saying के according, you can view the world as though everything is a miracle or as if nothing is. So if you are thinking कि what should I be grateful for? मेरी लाइफ में तो अभी ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. So let me remind you, your breath is your biggest gift. अगर आपको आपकी अगली breath ही नहीं मिलती है, your life will be completely over. So what would you do? The food you have every day, the water you have every day, the sun that comes out without you doing anything. हम अक्सर ये छोटी छोटी चीजों को बहुत for granted ले लेते हैं, when these are the ones that constitute the major part of our lives. और ये अगर ना रहे ना तो हमारी लाइफ प्रॉपर्ली चल ही नहीं सकती. अब सोचिए कि आपको हर सुबह उठकर ये टेंशन हो जाए कि यार अगर अर्थ आज अपने ऑर्बिट पे स्पिन ना करी तो क्या होगा, राइट? जितना क्रेजी ये सुनने में लगता है, सोचिए अगर ऐसा हो गया तो क्या होगा. यू आर रिलीव्ड फ्रॉम दैट, यू आर रिलीव्ड फ्रॉम थिंकिंग कि यार ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिली तो क्या होगा, एटलीस्ट फॉर नाउ. यू आर रिलीव्ड फ्रॉम थिंकिंग कि खाना आज नहीं मिला तो क्या होगा. ये बेसिक चीजें आपके पास हैं. एंड ऑनेस्टली हमारा माइंड ना बहुत स्पेसिफिक फिल्टर्स पे काम करता है. जिस टाइप का फिल्टर सेट करेंगे उस टाइप की और चीजें आपको दिखेंगी. बचपन में आपने एक गेम खेला है कि वी विल स्पॉट अ रेड कार ऑन द रोड, और हमें कितनी सारी रेड कार्स दिखती थी, राइट? In the same way, once you start practicing gratitude, practicing appreciation, you would find more of the blessings in your life. So start with it today, right now. 5 things that you are grateful for, or 5 to 10 things that you appreciate in your life. थोड़ी मुश्किल जरूर होगी शुरू में अगर आपने कभी ये किया नहीं है, but once the momentum starts building, आप बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इसे करने लगेंगे और आपके बिना सोचे आपका माइंड आपको देगा यार I should be thankful for this. This is so beautiful. So this is the first way. The second point is take out time for your own joy. हम अपने प्रॉब्लम्स में, अपने काम में, अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज में इतने बिजी हो जाते हैं that we forget completely कि हम भी कुछ हैं and we deserve our own time of joy. हम सबके अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हैं, हम सबके अपने गोल्स हैं जिनकी तरफ हम वर्क कर रहे हैं, but they all are in one place and the time you should take out for yourself, for your joy is at one place. ये एक हैबिट कल्टिवेट करना कि यू आर गोइंग टू डेडिकेट सम अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम, or maybe 15 minutes, maybe 1 hour, maybe 30 minutes, no matter what the time is, to completely feeling yourself, relaxing yourself, having fun, being light. It will make a drastic change in your life and in the way you take a look, your perspective about the life. Because our feelings are really really important. वो हर टाइम हमें कुछ ना कुछ इंडिकेट करती रहती हैं. And once we start tuning ourselves to the higher, more lighter feelings, our life really starts to shift in a very positive way for us. Now number 3 is doing your favorite workout. अब ये तो हम सब ने सुना है that we should exercise daily, right? It has many benefits. बट मोस्टली व्हाट वी डू इज हम बहुत ऐसा हैवी सा वर्कआउट ले लेते हैं जो हमसे होता नहीं है, एंड वी एग्जॉस्ट आवरसेल्व्स, और फिर हमें लगता है कि यार ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं है। बट एक्चुअली योर बॉडी नीड्स मूवमेंट। अब वो किस भी टाइप का हो सकता है। इफ यू हैव नेवर वर्कड आउट, बेसिक स्ट्रेचिंग, बेसिक वॉकिंग फॉर 10 minutes with your favorite music on would do really great for you than doing nothing. As they say, something is better than nothing, right? So जो भी आपका favorite genre है workout का, it's cardio, it's strength, it's walking, it's cycling, it's jogging, it's swimming, it's just moving around or anything. Pick it out, give it 15 minutes in the morning. और ये भी एक चीज़ है कि we don't have time. Many people don't have time in the morning and they think यार मेरे पास time नहीं है तो मैं नहीं कर सकती. But honestly, if you want to work out, any time of day is suitable. कुछ research करके आप find out कर सकते हैं कि like there should be minimum 2 hours gap from the time you have eaten your food and the time you work out. But even some movement can really help your body कि जो stuck heaviness हमारी body में होती है, it really moves around, our body relaxes when it moves, stretches, and it really elevates your mood. और scientifically अगर हम देखें या biologically देखें तो endorphins भी produce होते हैं exercise करने से, which are a very good hormone to help you feel good about yourself and about everything around you. Number 4, which is eating your favorite food. Now this I have mentioned in my previous video as well, जो इसका लिंक आपको आई बटन में भी मिल जाएगा और मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी, कि your favorite food helps in elevating your mood. Now it is kind of a contradictory point क्योंकि we are mostly focusing on healthy eating and all of that. Now I am not saying कि go and binge on pizzas or go and binge on burgers and just ruin your health. No way. Eat your favorite food in a sense कि आपके बहुत सारे kind of favorite foods होंगे. How can you mix and match them in a way कि आप उसका overdose भी ना करें और आपको वो एक moderate quantity में मिलता रहे. Moderation is really the key to everything. It balances everything out. और जब खाने की बात आती है especially, तो if you want to eat your favorite food and if you are doing it in moderation once or twice a week, it is really going to help you because you will not be compromising on the feeling you get when you eat your favorite dish, when no matter what it is, right? Every time we eat our favorite food, we really feel happy, and we have not come here to just do diets. We really, our bodies do support us. They are powerful enough to handle that if we are doing it the right way. If we eat our favorite food, your body will support you. Do it in moderation, in the right way, mixing and matching. आजकल तो बहुत सारी healthy recipes भी आ गई हैं, आटे का pizza and every such thing. Find it out, do some research and make your own version of your favorite food. Enjoy it and see how your mood goes up and how you can maintain it by giving yourself this treat once or twice in a week. Number 5 is consuming positive content. Now, social media has become a very huge part of all of our lives. News has become a very huge part of all of our lives, right? Every social media platform has a variety of content. Now it is up to you which kind of content you choose. और जैसा कि आपको इनका algorithm पता होगा, the more you like something, watch something, the more it shows that kind of a content to you. And honestly, this world is a beautiful place and a horrible place, both at the same time. अब आपको क्या चूज करना है ये आपकी प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट पे डिपेंड करता है, क्योंकि आपको वो लोग भी मिलेंगे जो बहुत काइंड और लविंग है और आपको वो लोग भी मिलेंगे जो बहुत क्रूअल है. बट व्हाट यू वांट टू फोकस, हाउ यू वांट टू फील, दैट इज अप टू कंप्लीटली यू. एंड ऑनेस्टली, व्हेन यू आर एट अ हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी, व्हेन यू आर एट अ हाई एनर्जी लेवल, इवन इफ यू इंटरैक्ट विद पीपल हु ड्रेन यू या उतने अच्छे नहीं होते हैं वो एनर्जेटिकली, इमोशनली, यू कैन गेट आउट ऑफ इट मच इजिली एज कम्पेयर टू व्हेन यू योरसेल्फ आर इन डिप्रेस्ड मूड, इन अ सैड मूड, और आप और ऐसे लोग एनकाउंटर करते हैं जो उसी फ्रीक्वेंसी को मैच करते हैं. सो योर कंटेंट डेफिनेटली शेप्स योर पर्सपेक्टिव टुवर्ड्स दिस वर्ल्ड. सो be very cautious to what you are watching. I am not saying कि don't watch news, I am not saying don't be aware, but to a limit कि वो चीज़ आपको ड्रेन ना करे, because many a times हम इतना खो जाते हैं उस content में that we forget कि हमारे पास इस चीज़ का फिलहाल कोई solution नहीं है, right? If you have the solution, go do what you can do. But if you don't have the solution and you are again and again going back to same negative thing and draining yourself, it is nowhere going to help you. वो आपके mind को, आपके body को और in general आपकी life को बहुत बुरी तरीके से hamper कर सकती है. In moderation, consume the content, but try to keep your focus on the content that is more beneficial, that is more uplifting, and that brings a smile on your face. After all, it's your life for which you are responsible first and foremost. बाकी सब तो हम देख लेंगे, but at least we should be doing good for ourselves, right? This can really help you in having a good mood throughout the day or in general if your content is the one that lightens you up. Now, number 6 is take yourself less seriously. Now, many people would say कि यार कैसे हो सकता है, हमारे पास इतना काम है, we have to be serious. Like if we are not serious, we are not going to do things right. है ना? यही सुना है आज तक हमने स्कूल से लेके बचपन से लेके अभी तक. But there is a difference between being focused and there is a difference between being serious. हम आज तक focus को seriousness के साथ बहुत mix करते हुए आए हैं. If you are always going to remain serious, worried, fearful, you can never live your life happily. How can you? If you're always under a stress, if you're always blaming yourself for not being perfect enough, for not being worthy enough, especially if you are an empathetic person, especially if you are a sensitive person, whether a girl or a boy, or if you are a person who has a lower self-esteem and self-confidence, you tend to take yourself more seriously than you actually should. आपने उन लोगों को देखा है जो अपना काम करते हैं और निकल जाते हैं, like, और अगर आउटकम वैसा नहीं भी होता है तो they don't take it personally, they don't take it that seriously, they are not taking themselves that seriously. और उन्हें बहुत सुनने को भी मिलता है कि यार you should take yourself seriously. They are like जाओ मर में जाओ, मुझे सुनना ही नहीं है. They are the happiest ones. Why? Because you don't need to be that serious in your life. Yes, be focused. Yes, be passionate. Yes, do what you have to do. But don't blame yourself. Don't just take everything on your shoulders and move with that baggage carrying around you. और खुद को इतना heavy कर लेना that you are just not being able to perform productively. और at the end वो baggage नीचे तो आएगा, right? Your body will either break down, your mind will either break down, या आपको कोई ऐसी problem होगी आगे चल के जिसकी वजह से आपको you have to find a way to handle that stress in a way that does not drain you, those responsibilities in a way कि आप बहुत heavy feel ना करें. So there are many ways by which you can do that, but cultivate this habit that you are not going to take yourself or your life seriously. Like it's just game of a breath. If it is there, your life continues. If it is not, your life is boom, gone. You are gone. So till you are here, do everything that you wish to with all the passion, with all the focus, but with lesser and lesser seriousness. Enjoy your life. You have come here to live. You haven't come here to just grind yourself. थोड़ा प्रवचन टाइप का शायद लग रहा हो, but actually this is very, very important for all of us, and we forget that. No one tells us. They all tell us to be only serious, but actually what we need is to be light, be focused, and be passionate rather than being serious all the time. And number 7 is go for what you desire. Now कई बार हम सही गलत के चक्कर में फंस के रह जाते हैं. ये होगा तो पता नहीं यार मैं सही कर रही हूँ कि नहीं कर रही हूँ, यार गलत ना हो जाए, I don't know what they will say. So many thoughts we have, but actually you don't know what's gonna happen. You don't know if the other person is even thinking about you. राइट और रॉन्ग सिर्फ परसेप्शन की बात है. कुछ लोगों के लिए वो एक चीज गलत भी हो सकती है और सही भी. But what does your heart say? What do you feel about it? Not think about it, but what do you feel about it? Is it right for you? Does your heart calls you towards it? If yes, go and try. Maybe you will fail, maybe you will learn. You don't know. We don't know. But if your heart says it, so you should give it a try. There is something which is calling you towards it. You want to do that thing. You want to take that step. You want to make that decision. Do it. Be practical. Be realistic. Plan B's बनाना भी कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. But yes, give that thing a chance which you feel कि यार करनी चाहिए. It's a trip. It's a decision you need to make, it's a talk you need to have, or any such thing. Do it, because unless you do it, it won't go. It will always keep popping up and you won't know कि वो सही है या गलत. और बहुत सारी बार ऐसा होता है कि we tend to regret कि यार काश कर लिया होता. So उससे better है कि करके देख लें if it was right or wrong, and most of the times it would be right. If your heart says that यार ये चीज़ करनी चाहिए, then you should definitely go and do it. So these are the 7 ways that would definitely help you in increasing your happiness level and building it more stronger and stronger. I hope this helps you. और आप क्या अभी follow करते हैं? What do you do to maintain your happiness? Please do share them in the comments. कोई suggestions हो, कोई ideas हो for future videos, I would love to hear them. and I hope these 7 ways will definitely help you. कुछ आपने सुने होंगे, कुछ नए होंगे. Do let me know कि कौन से आप फॉलो करते हैं, कौन से आपने सुने हैं, कौन से नए थे, and pick one which you feel most resonates with you and try it, and definitely you will find a level of happiness increasing in your life. Constant level पे आप happy feel कर पाएंगे, because we really love happiness and we should never compromise on our own happiness no matter what's happening, right? So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for listening and watching this video. I really love sharing and doing this work. I hope you are enjoying it. Take very good care of yourself and remember, you deserve the world.